Hello, this is Victor at restoremercedes.com. This video is for Jerry in Pennsylvania. Okay, Jerry, so here's your unit here. It's finished. Here's your part number here. Cleaned off quite well. Very clean unit. Internals are really nice. It's been on the bench for pretty much 2 days. I was just busy these couple of days, so I couldn't really make a video, but I'm making it now. So as you can see, temperature is about 112. And ambient temperature in the room is 78. So this unit has been energized for a long time. It's hard to get it to this temperature in a short period of time. So this is the unit. It's being energized in this matter, so it's like slow activation. Make it faster, of course. So that's how it was on the bench. Now the underside cleaned off nice, and yeah, everything looks really good. Let's take a look at our readings, live readings, what this unit is giving us, what it's showing on the computer. So we have 4.25, 0.47, range here 0.4 to 0.6, so we're pretty much in the middle. 4.24 is what I usually see, 4.25, and that's what all units show on the bench with this particular control module I'm using. So activation, as you can see, very nice, very light. As you can see, I can activate it at the actual shaft versus the lever, so that makes it bind free. It doesn't bind, it doesn't stick. So this is very, very nice, very, very light. And voltages obviously will follow up when I move the lever. See, I open the lever up, throttle is open a little bit, your voltages change, that is proper. The micro switch situation, they jump around because of the software. It's not that the throttle is faulty. On, off, on idle, then open it up, they will switch over to off, on. And that is a proper operation. Basically, that's basically how it's supposed to be. And that's where we are. Okay, so basically I'm finished with this unit and I'm ready to mail it out. And I'll give you a call, we'll talk about it, and off it goes. Alright, so this is all for me, Victor here at restoremercedes.com. Thank you for watching.